Hi traders, this is video about copper, platinum and gas. If you need Brent, gold, silver, euro, Great Britain pound and Japanese yen, check my other videos. Also please sign up for my Telegram channel and I wish you profits. Let's go for a forecast. This is copper, current price 3.6035. On 4-hour chart I showed you in my previous videos, I showed you this entry point. Right now, price fell down from 3.7050 to 3.6035, and most of you think something like, oh, we should sell, we should keep selling. But I told you that for a good short position on daily chart, on 1-hour chart, we need to see new extremums, which means that we need to see price going down step by step. Right now, on 1-hour chart, price is being on 200 moving average, which is a little bit dangerous for us to sell right now until they don't break it. So what I would advise you, our previous technical picture should be cancelled, and we should try to make a new technical picture, which means we will use Fibonacci levels. And right now, our current support is 3.5720. So I wouldn't tell something like you should sell under 200 moving average. No, it's not like that. You know, here is a huge difference to say and to act. So I can tell you that I'll be ready to act after they break 3.5740, 3.5720. So this area on 1-hour chart. This will mean that they started to go down step by step. And after that, we'll be ready to make Fibonacci extension, which means we take the maximum price, minimum price, like that. No, it doesn't work like that. One more time, Fibonacci extension, 1, 2, 3, like that. And after that you'll be like, oh, here's a support. Yes, it means that they break 3.5720 after they touch 3.5450, rebound to 3.5720, and after that they go down to 3.48. Step by step, but we'll be ready to wait for this next step after they break 357.20. So step back, step back, step back, like that. If you check daily chart, price is being under Ishimoku cloud. I know that it's a little bit hard to see that right now. I can show like this. So price is being under Ishimoku cloud, which means that it's really good to keep selling this instrument. And one more time, this is your really important support, 3.4220. After they break it, we'll be like, oh good, they're going down to our target 2.9450, because as you remember, this is my target for copper. Okay, so right now price is being on 200 moving average on weekly chart, and they're still not showing us good sell signal, and this is something that you should be aware of as well. If you check the tendency like this, for example, they still didn't break it. They still didn't break the tendency, and after they break it step by step, that's why I'm telling you something like step by step, they need to break the tendency. After they do it, we'll be more free to trade, understanding what's going on, because right now there is no guarantee that copper will go down. After they break the support, as I told you before, they'll show you new minimum prices. For platinum, current price is 923. We discussed with you 940 as area of resistance, so they showed us a break, they came back, and right now I would say that this is not a bad opportunity to keep selling this instrument. So you go to 1-hour chart, you see that price is being under Ishimoku cloud. It means that until price is being under Ishimoku cloud, you can keep selling this instrument. So you may also use Fibonacci extension just to check what's going on. And you will see that your target goes down to 910. But I don't pay attention to this too much, because my general idea is that platinum still will show us 680 area. So right now, this is a really important support. I agree with you. This is important because on daily chart, this is like a plateau. This is important, but they are in Ishimoku cloud, and they may go down to 890, come back to 920, after that 860, and after they break 860, your target goes to 780 and 680. So that's how it's going to work until we don't get some bad news and, for example, they jump up to 1000. It's also possible, but general idea is that platinum will still show us this support 680. For 1 hour chart, you may draw this support like this, and you will see that price is coming to the support right now. After they break it, you'll be free to sell. I mean, for new positions. For gas, current price is 9.35, 9.350, and on daily chart, I told you that this is our new range for future years. That right now they keep growing. How far do you think they will grow? Your first target goes up to here, 10,200. So they go up to here. On weekly chart, I would say that this is also a really important level of resistance, but there is a little bit higher, 10,900. So there are two levels of resistance that are more to go this year. Due to different political situations, gas may grow up to 10,200, 10,800, 900. On daily chart, they are trying to break the resistance, but they also may stay around this level of resistance, like, showing you opportunity to go down. But until you don't get candlestick signal, please don't sell, because I would say that this is dangerous to lose money. This is a really good level of resistance, but we are not in regular conditions. We are in a huge political game, world game, which may cause price to go really high, up to 10,200 and higher. So I just told you the levels of resistance. I'm not gonna give you advice as how to trade this instrument. I'm just sharing my technical picture for this instrument. I wish you profits, guys. Watch my other videos. Bye bye.